Ash. Next Friday. Yeah. I'm never gonna trust them now. Ash. Tino Evans said to sail out on this journey looking for pirates. None of them cannot worry me because the eye bless. No guiltiness no haunt me when the iris. And Tino and I'm a friend because of kindness. Genuinely really man of the clocks I'm over China. As for Uno we track this earth and I hide. It all go wicked but in the soul if I'm not find. You have to learn how to pray to survive every day. Every time I see Babylon, my blood runs cold, cold, cold. And every time I see the wicked man, my belly move. Tell Babylon they'll never take my pride or take my liberty. Balance out like symmetry, nobility. I won't change, I'll take that to the cemetery. Praising the Father, the divinity, holding the order like a military. Within the Orthodox Trinity, blazing the fire, they get fidgety. Just who do humble, don't think, set up we fail. And something start up, we talking, talk make me fail. Can't hardly stand to bear, no fight for freedom, tell me what you are prepared to do. Every time I see Babylon, my blood runs cold, cold, cold. And every time next Friday, see the wicked man there, Tina belly move. And I don't wanna see them, so tell them, come out the way. Cause them never have nothing yet good for say. All them lipping and talking is just for delay. They wouldn't mind you pack it up and give it up, but nothing sweeter in our life. Stacking up the cream, steadily declining, living out your dreams. Never you forget the day them when you was far. Now you have enough, but I full up in your jeans. Every time I see Babylon, my blood runs cold. I never gonna trust them no. And every time Tino ever see the wicked man there, my yo, next Friday I should tell them say, yeah, my blood runs cold. Yo, next Friday, big up on yourself, you know. My team, Tino Evans and such, you know. Yeah.